Today, I'm gonna be installing this wheel and this hub on my 2000 Miata NV blindfolded. Oh! Oh, fuck, I don't know if I just stripped it. If it just blows up in my face, I'm gonna be angry. The catch is if I don't finish it in time, I have to push my Miata down the street completely dead and try and roll start it all by myself, which will probably take 20 minutes. Ryan's gonna be my eyes and my ears for this video. He's gonna be handing me tools, helping me get this done. Let's see what happens. Before I blindfold myself, I'm gonna give myself 5 minutes to look at this and see what I need to do. By the way, I've never installed a wheel before, so this will be my first time. No. I don't think we have an impact gun, which is gonna make this like 10 times harder. So that's nice. All right, we're live.
There's no way.
There's no way? I love doubt. I feed off doubt. Where's my tools, Ryan?
You had them
Watch your head. Oops.
Oh, no.
Uh-oh.
Not that one. Bring the head of the ratchet up. Yeah, like more so.
Mama didn't raise no fool, Ryan.
No, you're not bringing it towards the ratchet head.
Oh, I can feel it though. Oh.
Yep.
Woo! All right, first one out, baby. Ryan?
What?
What's up, B? All right, next one. Dude, am I on the right side of the ratchet? Was I using the wrong side the whole time?
You're using the ratchet as...
Okay.
Use the ratchet as a 10 mil.
Yeah. I wonder how long I was doing that for. Oh, fuck, I don't know if I just stripped it. Oh, fuck. I don't think I did.
No, I don't think so.
I'm on there. So far, I'm not feeling super confident, but I do know that I got the first two out, and I'm assuming these are the most hidden bolts.
I think the hardest part you're gonna have is doing the connectors,
okay,
like for the horn and the airbag.
I might not do the horn. What's next, Ryan?
The cover, so where the airbag is.
This whole thing?
No, I think the thing like right.
This.
Yeah. Chill, because it's plugged in.
So I can get electrocuted? Just pull it really hard?
No, dude. I'm no expert here. I mean, that one that you're touching looks like the horn one, and
is
it looks
this,
like
clip right here I'm on with my finger?
Yeah, you can if you pull. Yeah, yeah, you got that. Okay.
I think I just broke something.
No, that I'm pretty sure you got. Nope, you just plugged it back in.
Oh! Back up, Ryan. You're gonna get hit.
I can't wait for it to explode.
What? If it just blows up in my face, I'm gonna be angry.
Oh no, that's a up looking clip.
Really? Is it?
Yes. I don't know how to take that off, and I got eyes.
Back up, Ryan.
I'm backed up.
Oh, what's up, B? How much time we got left, Ryan? Can you tell me?
34 minutes.
Woo! That's easy. So far, I did have a slight confidence spike because I am feeling pretty good about that last airbag removal tactic that I just did. Just straight up pull it out as hard as you can. That seemed to work just fine. Don't worry about the chance of getting blown up. All right, Ryan, what do we got next? Is this the clock spring, huh? Ooh. Oh, okay. Were you serious?
Okay. It might just be easiest if you, what?
Nope. Definitely not hand tight yet. See what's up to Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Try and leave it like a little bit on so you don't smack yourself in the face.
I'm gonna smack my head against the roll bar.
Couple. Oh! And that's why you leave the nut on there, baby.
Did I leave it on?
Yeah, you left it on. Pull that thing up. Pull it off. Oh.
And they said I could never be what I wanted to be, you know? Here I am, uninstalling wheels blindfolded. I got the wheel off, which is honestly incredible. I don't know where you guys are anymore, but I'm gonna assume you're back here. So I just tried to grab the wheel that doesn't exist anymore. And I'm feeling pretty damn good about it right now, I'll be honest with you guys. All right, so apparently this thing just doesn't come off. I don't even know if I'm touching the right thing. Okay, this doesn't slide on with the hub. So this piece has to come off, and I'm gonna act like I know what I'm talking about right now, but I can't see shit. What is this? Is this a Phillips head? Yeah. That is lefty loosey?
Yeah.
Does it look stripped already? Did I strip it?
I don't know, it's super loose.
What?
I mean, I just tightened it actually even more, so.
Oh, cool.
Oh, this is so scary. I don't want to strip it. I'm committing so hard. I'm so committed.
It's literally right there.
Yeah, and I think you're like missing it completely.
I'm not gonna let this can win.
This is my gearhead goal. I want to be a gearhead for the rest of my life.
All right, I'm gonna send it.
I didn't get it.
What's in my hand right now? Okay, so I'm gonna go right here. How much time is left?
22:40.
Oh, okay, we're halfway. This needs to come off.
Wait till you gotta put these back together.
Got it. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. I was tightening it the whole time. All right, this is coming off, boys. This is coming off. So I'm not feeling super hot right now. That was a pretty frustrating loss for me. We just lost about 10 minutes there on 3 screws, and I'm gonna just pull this thing off.
Be careful though, I heard these are fragile. Oh wow, look at that.
Is that off?
What? Yeah, flew apart. I think this top one's gotta stay because you got the microphone. So
Okay.
There's 3 more screws.
What?
Yeah.
No, there's not. This is less hard, but this is gonna suck to get this back on. Oh, I'll show you this. Oh! Oop, first try, got a little cocky. Oh, stripping it slowly. All right, this is going pretty well, I'm not gonna lie.
Pull it off.
This whole thing?
Yeah, and then there's connectors behind it. So.
Oh my God. Am I close?
I'm not really.
Oh, got it. I think, unless I just snapped it, but
you got
I'll
it.
never know.
I don't really know how we want to do this because it's kind of like it's got to be straight, you know.
Is that it?
Oh.
Okay. Tight? All the way tight?
Yeah, all the way tight.
Does, if anything moves in terms of like how straight it is, am I
The
screwed?
hub's already straight, so no.
Okay, cool. I don't think I have that much to screw it on, to be honest with you. Okay, that's as tight as I'm gonna go. Am I back on it?
You're back on it. I'm trying to hold it as best as I can.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep. I can't hold it much more. Keep going. Yeah, there's no chance. Okay.
Do you want to sit on my lap?
No, like we need.
While I'm blindfolded, I just want to quickly give a huge shout out to Throttle. They supplied me with this wheel and this hub. If you do not know, Throttle sells a bunch of stuff on their website. About to throw up. If you want up to 15% off on all items off the Throttle website, hit the link in the description with the code GriffinB, and I'll get you up to 15% off of all parts on the website. I'm wasting time. Let's go.
Hang on.
Oh, I got excited. Okay, so wheel is going on. We've got 17 minutes left. Apparently this is gonna be pretty tough because these little holes have to line up with something over here, which I don't even know what it is yet, but I'm about to find out. 17 minutes left. Let's run the clock, baby.
So
wait, this has to go on top of it?
That has to go inside the wheel.
Okay. Is that the right hole?
That's the hole, yeah. You missed it.
Okay. Too high or too low?
You were too low and then you went too high.
Okay, so I'm not doing too well. Am I not cross-threading it? It feels fine. Is it going in?
If it feels fine, it looks like it's going in.
Really?
Yeah.
No. I think I just cross-threaded this for that. Is that cross-threaded?
Yeah, definitely.
So, all right, cross-thread. Hey, if that's my first, well, actually, you know what? I've only installed 1 screw. So I'm 1 for 2 on cross-threading. All right, we're getting it close, boys. We got 8 minutes left. I got a couple more screws. All right, next one. All right, that one's moving too, I think. Is that moving?
Yeah, it's going.
Okay, that's pretty snug. Next one. All right, boys, I think we're gonna make it. I can't believe it.
And then we still gotta do, you missed it. Oh, half your
Fully
inside.
missed it. Okay, guys, we're coming in on the end here. We're closing in. Oh, this is the last one. All right, boys, last screw. All right, I thought we were done. We're not done. Oh,
Okay, ready?
yep.
Okay, go.
Last torque.
That's probably good.
Okay, sick. Done?
I mean, yeah, it's the steering wheel is on.
5 minutes to spare, baby. All right, well, that was extremely fun. I'm not gonna lie, I actually had a good time doing that. I know Ryan definitely had a fun time.
I had fun.
Huge shout out to Garage Collective, where I'm at right now doing this install. Check out their website. Their website's also going to be linked in the description. If you guys like this type of install and this type of challenge, let me know. I will definitely do more of these. This was actually really fun. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.